Hello viewers, welcome back. My dear students, in this lesson we are going to learn some of the important rules of stop loss which are very important, which I believe so. And I'm sure that these rules will also help you a lot in understanding of stop loss. My dear students, stop loss is a vital thing. It is a very important thing and we are discussing this topic in this course. We have seen all the methods and its importance as well. If you want to stay alive in this market, then my dear students, stop loss is a key. It should be must done whenever you are going to take any new trade. Now what normally happens, I have explained that all the retail traders, we involve our feelings, okay, when our money is losing in our account and we see loss in our account. So it is always very important to take away our emotions. And other thing is that there are some rules for stop loss, and first one is never involve your emotions in placing a stop loss. Remember one thing, my dear students, this is a technical business. This is a business which is done on the basis of technical analysis. So never involve your feelings. If you are going to double your account in a single trade, my dear students, that is never going to happen. If it happens, that's your luck, but after some time it will make a drop down as well. So remember one thing, you are going to win in the long term, and for long term you must go with patience and discipline as well. So first rule is that never involve your emotions. For example, you are going to take any trade and you think that I should change my stop loss or not, and you are getting panic. So never get panic, just be relaxed and do it in a simple way. Okay, so first rule is never involve your emotions while placing a stop loss. Now another thing is that trial your stop loss. Now this is very important. For example, if you have taken a trade from this point, okay, this is your buy entry point, and then market goes up, market goes to the upward side, and then it comes back again. Maybe it will come down, okay, and then it will make a reversal to the upward side. So imagine if your stop loss was here, what you need to do it slowly, bring to the upward side, I mean in a winning direction to your position, to your trade, okay, make it to the upward side, bring it to the upward side, okay. So this is highly recommended that you should take it on to the upward side, okay. Now this is important, trial your stop loss, okay. Whenever your trade is running in the positive direction, you should move it to the upward side or in winning direction. Now another thing is that never increase your stop loss. If your target is done, that's okay, you will take out your take profit, then there should be no issue with your stop loss even as well, because if market is going to hit your stop loss, even if it can go further as well. So for example, if you had taken a sell entry here or a buy entry here, so this was your stop loss, you think I want to increase my stop loss, and you keep again doing this. So what will happen? First of all, it will emotionally disturb you, okay. Another thing is that you will lose your trading ability as well, trading temperament as well, and very important thing is that you will lose your account capital as well, and maybe you can wipe out your account in a single trade, okay, in a single trade you can wipe out your account in a single trade. So make very strict rules that if I had set my stop loss here, I will not adjust it. I will adjust it in the proper way, but I will not adjust it in the negative way. I will adjust it in a positive way in winning direction, but I will not adjust in negative direction. Okay, so you should never increase your stop loss. An important rule also is that always take your profit in first attempt. Okay, for example, what normally happens that whenever you have taken a buy entry here and market goes to the upward side and here was your first TP, okay, and you think today's market is going very up and market goes up to like this region and then suddenly it comes back and maybe even it can hit your stop loss as well in this direction, in this region. So it will also emotionally disturb you, it will also hurt you as well. My dear students, now it is very important that you should take your profit in a first attempt and you should never increase it as well. Okay, so taking profit is also very important. Okay, now these are the some rules of stop loss which are very important, and I'm sure that they will also help you a lot in placing your stop loss and managing stop loss as well. Okay, thank you so much.